In this video, we will see how to convert the given assembly instruction to the machine instruction. Now this is an example of immediate addressing mode. For immediate addressing mode, we have little different opcode and little different format compared to your conventional format. Now this is having 16-bit data and 32-bit data and 32-bit register. That means the operands here are 32-bit. See here, both the operands are here 32-bit. Okay. Now if you are writing the machine instruction for 16-bit mode of operation, then you need to use prefix 66. Suppose if you are using 32-bit mode of operation, then you don't require any prefix. Now let us try to convert this into a machine instruction. As usual, according to the format, first is the mode bit. We know mode bit for this will be 1011. This is not mode bit, this is the operand opcode. This is your opcode. So opcode for move when it is in the immediate addressing mode. Okay, and you know that it doesn't have any D bit because always in this data is going to the register. So by default it is 1. It doesn't have a D bit, but it has a W bit. Right? So what is the W bit here? W bit is once again here is 32-bit register. Right? So 16-bit, 32-bit, for all DB, your W bit is going to be 1. Right? Okay. What comes next immediately? REG, right? Next comes your REG. So what is the REG for ECX? What is the register bit? What are the 3 registered bit for ECX? Refer to the table. See, come to this table. Now here in this table, the REG bit for ECX is 001. Can you see here? You can see here. See, it is 001. For ECX, it is 001. So let us put that 001 in that place. Here it is going to be 001. Right? So you got this 8-bit instruction. Then comes your data, immediate data. So immediate data you try to append to this. Okay. So what is the hexadecimal value for this? This is going to be your B. And this is 9, B9. This is 9. After that you try to put this all the bytes corresponding to the immediate data, starting from the lower bit. Here lowermost byte is 67. Then comes 1, 2. Then comes 0, 0. Then comes CC. So this is the machine instruction B9671200CC when it is 32-bit mode of operation. When you consider 32-bit mode of operation. Suppose if I say 16-bit mode of operation, what you need to do? You need to append 66 to this. Okay. So this is going to be the machine code when you consider 16-bit mode of operation. Right? So this is the answer for this particular question. Okay. So hope you all understood this.